My name is Kusnachi. Ngihlala eMaputo abasifuni eSouth Africa ngoba sabahlomi netipa panic mechanic futhi ngisathana game papa kisha kathoko my name is Aji athusheleni shaba bamneka abasangitshela ngomonde ngihlala ezami udla emi igama lami stove ngihlala ediplo izinjama zikwazi zizola uvuvu ulangiphuma khona Soweto ulangiphuma khona Soweto ulangiphuma khona Soweto ulangiphuma khona Soweto.
Hi, my name is Chantal. I'd stay here in Johannesburg. It's a very, very sad situation that we are in at the moment. Very sad. We were all devastated. We weren't I wouldn't say we weren't expecting it. He was sick. But yeah, when we did hear the news, it was devastating for our family as well. For South Africans, yeah, shame. He was South Africa's icon. He was definitely a man with a great big heart.
Well, I know that he made the ANC and that he was born in, I think, 1918.
You know, Madiba's loss, I think, has affected just about everybody. And for us, or rather for me as an Indian, it means a lot because of the comparison between him and Gandhi. So it's a great loss for the nation, and people here, I think, are reacting in two very distinctly different ways. You see, some of them are really sad, somber faces, bent shoulders, while the other half are very happy. They're celebrating his existence. But I think the one thing which has been common right through, that's the sense that I'm getting personally, is that they're happy that he's finally resting. Because we all know he's been suffering for a long time, and well, God bless his soul. You know, when you're talking about somebody like Nelson Mandela, you really can't pinpoint it to any single moment. It's his collective attitude and his collective, the collective sense you get of him as a person from everyone. And I have not met him personally, while my husband had. And I do remember when he came back, he was almost as in a daze. And that I found surprising because, he doesn't get, there are not many people who have that impression on him. You see his pictures with dignitaries and then you see his pictures with children. I think children were very special to him. And if we really want to remember him or what he stood for, then we should, each one of us, do a little bit, not much, whatever we can do for the children of South Africa. That would have a lot of meaning.
Abasifuni eSouth Africa ngoba sabahlula ngetipa